Hey, what's up, my people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Based on your time zone, welcome to Online Money Hunter. We are teaching you guys how to make money online. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, I'll be teaching you a free way to make over $800 monthly without even spending any money. This is what I do in my channel. I teach you how to make money. Anytime I find something that is new and something that is genuine, I'll come here and show you how to do it. And if you do the same thing I'm asking you to do, you will get exact results. So make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategy. Without wasting much time, I will be showing you how you can make a lot of money via affiliate marketing. Okay, I'll be showing you, and this works worldwide. You can be part of this in any part of the world. So all I want you to do is just to give me your attention so that I will teach you everything you need to know. Please make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you understand what I'm about to review to you. This is never heard before. Nobody have teach you this kind of thing, this kind detailed video or detailed tutorial on how to make money. All right, the website we'll be using today is called Warrior Plus. Okay, it's called Warrior Plus. A lot of people know about this website, some don't know. So if you don't know anything about Warrior Plus, just go to the description below and click on the link below and you will be in the website straight. Okay, this Warrior Plus is best in class sales and marketing automation platform. Warrior Plus, they say that your profit is their business. Okay, best in class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owner and online marketers. Okay, this is where you can come as a digital owner or you can come as an affiliate where you will sell services to people and you get your commission. It's very simple and straight. That's what affiliates is all about. You sell, you get your percentage. Very simple and straight. All right, I'll be teaching you from scratch till you start making money with this particular method. Okay, so make sure you do as I will be showing you here. Let's sign up. Click on sign up. Okay, give you some time to load. And remember that sign up is free of charge. Nobody will ask you any money. Everything I'll be teaching you here is free of charge today. You don't need to spend anything. But if you do what I'm about to show you, you will be making up to $5, $8, and $900 monthly. If you do what I'm about to show you here, you'll be making a lot of money. This method is tested and trusted. If you follow me, I'll show you everything the way it is. Please don't skip any part of this video. All right, we are here to create account. That's the first step. Okay, you put your username, you put your password, you put your email address, and click I'm not a robot. Okay, you can create account. Wow. Okay, here they say that verification required. Okay, all I need to do is just to go to my email. Okay, this is the verification code here. This is where I need to verify my account. Click on verify. Let's verify this account. Please make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I keep uploading video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategy. Okay, love you all. So let's log in. Wow, we have created account right now. This is the first step. Okay, the second step is let's go inside and choose a product to promote. Very simple and straight. Okay, let's choose product to promote. If you are here, all you need to do is just to click on this three line here. As you can see at the edge, the three line, click on it. Then you click on affiliates. Click on affiliates, scroll down and you see offers. Click on offers. This is the offers. All these are something that you will be promoting. As you can see here, you will see the release date, the day they release it. You can see it here. The first one is 2020. Okay, you will see everything. Then the second one is sales. Those people has made sales over 20,000 plus. Okay, that's the first one. Converts rate. As you can see, visitor value. This one is average sales, the amount they will pay you for marketing their products. That's the amount. The first one will pay you $18.76 for promote each sales you made from with your link. Okay, refund rate. Okay, always look for refund rates and know how many percent they have, so that you will know whether to promote that particular product or not. Because at times you will promote a product that has higher rate of refund. Okay, and it's not good for business. Okay, try to know try to promote the ones that has at least 4% return rate or 1% return rate. Okay, and also make sure you choose the one that the average sales is higher. Okay, like this. Okay, in this second one, you will be make $46.81 each time you get a sales. So please make sure the first thing you need to do is just to please make sure you promote the one that has lower refund rate. Okay, like I said, higher profit and lower refund rate. Just bear it in mind. Like this one is zero refund rate, and they have made like 3,000 plus sales. So you should, so all you need to do is just, so if you find anyone that you think that will pay you more, once you see the one that you think that will pay you more, all you need to do is just to click on it. Okay, request. Click on request. Once you click on request, then you click on request approval. Okay, then you need to write this thing, something like this. Hey bro, I am a seasoned affiliate marketer and I have 5 years experience, and I also have over 7,000 hungry buyers waiting for you to approve me so that I can introduce this wonderful product to them. Please approve me now. Thank you. Very simple and straight. Please make sure you copy this, and or you can write it on your own the way it suits you. Okay, and once you write it, all you need to do is just to click on request offer. Boom. Two things is involved here. Either the person confirmed your request or reject you. Okay, you keep doing it to all of them. I know that out of 10, at least 7 or 6 people will accept you. Okay, now this is the real deal here, how to promote it. Okay, how to promote your link. Like I promise you that, as I promise you that I will teach you everything you need to know, and I will teach you also how you can start making money, because that's what I do here. Please, all I want you to do is just to smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with my strategy. Okay, do this now. Don't waste it tomorrow. Do it now. In fact, bring another phone and start doing what I'm asking you to do now, because you'll be the one to enjoy this wonderful tutorial. Okay, so the next thing is to go to where we can get traffic. Let's go to where we can get traffic to this offer. Okay, and once those people buy the products, okay, let's just check this. Let's just say that sorry, let's just say that the person that we sent request will accept it. Okay. Once the person accepts it, and we'll be, selling it like, we'll be getting like $40. Okay. $40 times 25. Okay. This is $1,000 monthly. We'll be making at least $1,000 monthly. All you need to do is just to, once I teach you all those things, go to them and, give them your link, and boom, you keep making sales. And once you keep making sales, you keep making money. Let me see in the description we hunt for the bag, because that's the only thing we do in this my channel. All right, we are going to use Twitter, okay, for this, because I'm going to show you how to do it, never heard before. Okay, this is a new trick on how to market your affiliate link on Twitter. Okay, just follow me step by step. All you need to do is just, once you are in Twitter, if you are not in Twitter, please go and create one. It's also free, because as I promise you that everything that I'll be doing here is free of charge. Okay, all you need to do is just to click on this search button. Once you click on search button, you click on this search Twitter at the top. Okay, once you click on that, all you need to do is just to click I need money. Okay, just click on it. I need money. I need money. Everybody need money. Then go to letters. Okay, once you click on letters, as you can see, this one is 6 seconds ago. This is the trick there. Okay, I think I may need to get more money, so time to buy baby seats, some more kid. Okay, all you need to do is just to DM this person and say like, hey, how are you doing? I got something for you. Just DM me now. Okay, so this is the trick here. As I send this message here, definitely the person, this dude will try and reply me immediately. Okay, and once these people reply you, you can, follow the person and make him or her your friend. Okay, once you make him or her your friend, those people are potential buyers. That's the secret there. They are potential buyers. Once you become friends, you can start telling the person about the products. Okay, before you can tell those people about the products, all you need to do is just to go to that product again. Okay, go to that warrior plus and try and get the details on how everything you need to know about that product. Try and get the details. Okay, so all I need to do now is just click on that request. And once you click on that request, you click on view sales page. Okay, here is where you can, watch even the video and learn all those things, go through it and know everything about this. And the trick is that once someone entered this site, okay, once someone entered this site, the things that those people will be, reading here will convince them to invest. Okay, and once they are buy this wonderful product, you will be getting your own commission. Very simple and straight. Okay, very simple and straight. Please do this, like, if you have that time, do it every day. Okay, you refresh it, you will see new people 5 minutes ago, 5 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago, you'll be seeing them. Just keep DM them and telling them this. Please DM me. Let me show you this. You will like it. Okay. Once you DM them like that, and then we try and DM you immediately. So no, because everybody need money. I need more money, and you need more money too. So we all need more money. So all you need to do is just to make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I keep uploading video like this, you'll be the first person to watch this video. Please, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. And make sure you like this video, and also make sure you ask me questions, okay? In the description, in the comment below, ask me questions. I'm here to help you, okay? I'm here to help you because your success is also my success, okay? And also in the description below, you will see the link to register, okay? Thank you for your time. Peace out.